Hello everyone, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of In News. Today's topic of discussion is what is New Quad and what does it mean? The dimensions we will cover under this topic are the news about New Quad, factors responsible for new grouping, comparisons with the Quadrilateral Security Dialogue or QSD, significance for India, way forward, and lastly the practice question. First of all, let's have a look at the news. Recently, the foreign ministers of India, the US, Israel, and the UAE concluded a virtual meeting. The meeting is a strong manifestation of the changes in West Asian geopolitics and formation of another Quad like grouping in the Middle East. India's involvement in this new grouping reflects a shift in its foreign policy. Now, let's discuss about the new Quad. The group is already being dubbed the New Quad or the Middle Eastern Quad on the lines of the Quadrilateral Security Dialogue or QSD. New Quad is intended as an international economic forum that will work on furthering the economic and political ties between the four countries. The group will focus on improving trade ties, cooperation in maritime security of the region, joint discussions for global public health, and joint infrastructure projects focused on transportation and technology. Now, the benefits of this group are as follows. The four countries have a unique set of capabilities, knowledge, and experience that can be used to create a new network of cooperation. There are many overlapping interests between these countries, especially in the field of energy, climate, trade, and regional security. So, the new Quad will help them to develop these areas further. It will help to focus on non-military issues like trade, energy, environment, and on promoting public goods, etc. Now let's discuss the factors responsible for new grouping. The new Quad appears to stem from rapidly growing cooperation among its member countries. The new grouping is possible after the resumption of formal diplomatic relations between Israel and the UAE through the Abraham Accord. Meanwhile, India has strengthened ties with Israel. Idea of Indo-Abrahamic Accord. Amidst the reshaping of geopolitical order in West Asia, India's relation with the UAE and Israel have gained momentum. This growing convergence of interest between India, UAE, and Israel can be formalized under an official coalition, that is, an Indo-Abrahamic Accord. The idea was first suggested by Mohammad Soliman, an Egyptian scholar. This engagement will open the door for extending the collaboration with other common regional partners like Egypt, Suez Canal, who will lend great strategic depth to the Indo-Abrahamic Accords. Now moving on to the comparisons with the Quadrilateral Security Dialogue, that is QSD. The QSD, often called the Quad, is a strategic dialogue between the United States, India, Japan, and Australia. It was started in 2007. The dialogue was started in response to increasing Chinese aggression in the South China Sea. It was accompanied by one of the largest joint military exercises of the modern era, the Malabar exercise. Australia had pulled out of the dialogue as its own economic ties to China grew over the decade. The group reconvened in 2017. Now moving on to the significance for India, the platform will help India to pursue wide-ranging minilateral partnerships in the region. The new Quad in the Middle East is likely to be India's only new coalition in the region. It provides a thrust to new regionalism to the West involving India. The alliance will help India to shape its position in changing the geopolitics of this region. It ties India into another alliance with the US, which is imperative to counter China's belligerence. India can use this platform to harness various opportunities like big data, AI, quantum computing, export its products in their market, etc. Now let's discuss the way forward. India needs a careful balancing act in the Middle East to secure its long-term strategic interest. India should be careful not to get sucked into the many conflicts of West Asia that could intensify amid growing regional rivalries. India should also maintain its strong relations with Iran to keep a check on Afghanistan's Taliban. Now let's note the practice question for today. Briefly describe the new Middle East Quad. Will the new Quad give a new direction to India's West Asia policy? Discuss. So that's all for today. Hope this session will be beneficial for you. Thanks for watching.